Hello parents and students. I wanted to use this video and take this time to show you guys how to look through MyON and how to get on the projects, since these will be used as grades for your kids. So this is what your MyON screen looks like. And remember, to get to this screen, all we need to do is go to our portal, and on the bottom of our portal we see that we have MyON, which is the screen book. You click on that and that redirects you to this page. On the left hand side, you have the book that your child is currently reading. In order to read the book, all you need to do is just click the green button to read. Now I want to show you the projects that we have. Projects are here under the project section, and we have projects by our librarian and myself. We have social studies, science, reading, and down here math. So if you want to look at a project, all you need to do is click the pencil. It will redirect you to these books. Some books have quizzes at the end, which will have additional grades for your child, so we can put them in. So if they aren't excelling at the PowerPoints, or if you feel like they need extra rigor added into their day, they can take the quizzes. Now when you click read, and we'll start with a book that this student is currently reading, you can choose to either start over with the book or continue. We're going to start over. The books have the options of allowing you to read to them. There's a dictionary if you guys need to define any of the words that are in the books. You go through it, and this is something that you can either read with your child or have them reading the book itself.
What comes next?
Be read to them. And you just go through these pages, discuss them, have your child read them on their own, work on the patterns, work on anything that you find of substance. You click I finished this book. You can rate and review your book if you really liked it. You save your review. And this particular book has a quiz. If we take the quiz, it only goes through and ends at question 5. After we get all the way to question 5, this button down here will turn blue for you to turn in your quiz. Since this is another student's quiz, we won't be touching it. We're just going to restart it. But this is also another good way for your child to test their comprehension, to see, did they really understand the book? What did they get from it? Do we have to read it again? And you could always go back and read it again by clicking the top tab right back here, and it's just going to send you back to MyON away from the quiz. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to email me, and remember that attendance for your children will be starting on April 6th. Thank you so much. Stay safe.